Hello dear students, how are you? I hope all of you are very well. Today I am going to discuss with the topic synthetic fibers and plastic. Actually this chapter from chemistry, so we will discuss this chapter into two halves. One is synthetic fiber, first we will discuss it. After finishing this topic we will go to the plastic. Now what is fiber? First we have to know what is fiber. So whatever we are wearing, that is our clothes, you know that clothes are made up of threads. There are very small threads, right? Again, each thread is made up of very thinnest threads. These are called fibers. That means we can say our clothes are made up of very thinnest one kind of threads. This is called fibers. Now there are two kinds of fibers. One is natural fiber, another is synthetic fiber. I have sent you one video in the last class and I hope you have seen this video. Today I will discuss about synthetic fiber, that is rayon, and we will discuss some important questions regarding rayon and artificial fiber. Okay, so let's start. So chapter synthetic fibers and plastic, you can see. As I have told what is fiber, that is, first I have written introduction of fiber. Clothes are made up of fabrics and fabrics are made up of fibers. Okay, so fibers are the thinnest units or thinnest threads of a clothes. Now classification of fibers. There are two kinds of fibers. You can see one is natural fibers, another is synthetic fibers. Natural fibers I have written cotton, jute, wool, silk, all are natural fibers. What are synthetic fibers? Rayon, nylon, polyester, acrylic. Okay, so today's topic is rayon and we will discuss some important questions regarding rayon. Now there are some questions. First question, what is natural fibers and give example. So what will be the definition? The definition of natural fiber is the fibers which are obtained from animals and plants are called natural fibers. Example, cotton and silk. Next, what is synthetic fibers? Example, the fibers which are man-made, that is artificial, and produced by chemical process are called synthetic fibers. Example, rayon and nylon. So our topic is synthetic fiber. Okay. So synthetic fiber means artificial fiber which are man-made. Okay. So here you can see there are some important questions regarding rayon. I have collected these questions. The first question, which synthetic fiber is called artificial silk? Which synthetic fiber is called artificial silk? The answer will be rayon. So very important question, that is rayon is known as artificial silk. Now the second question, why is rayon called artificial silk? So very simple answer, because rayon fiber has similar properties to that of silk. Okay, just rayon looks like silk. Next question, how does rayon made up? How is rayon made up? Rayon is prepared from wood pulp. So the source is wood pulp. This is a natural source. Okay, so rayon is prepared from wood pulp by chemical process. So after treatment by acids and different kinds of chemical reagents with wood pulp, rayon is prepared. Okay, so rayon is prepared artificially. Next, write the properties of rayon. So these are the properties. This is a broad question. First point, rayon has similar properties to that of silk. Second, it is cheaper than silk. Third, it can be woven like silk fibers. 4, it can be dyed in a wide variety of colors. Okay, so these are the properties of rayon. Next, write the uses of rayon. Where rayon is used? Rayon is generally used to make clothes, bed sheets, carpets. Okay, now in this case there are some two important fill in the blanks. First is rayon is mixed with dash to make bed sheets. So rayon is mixed with cotton to make bed sheets. So when rayon is mixed with cotton, bed sheets can be formed. Here rayon is mixed with wool to make carpets. Okay, so which fiber is mixed with rayon to make carpets? Wool. Okay, so these two fill in the blanks you must keep in mind. So these are the questions regarding rayon. Next day we will discuss the next synthetic fiber like nylon and others. Okay, thank you very much.